Here's a short video on how you can fill out an online application for your broker using Expert Pro. When you click on your application link sent to you by your broker, you will be redirected to the main application page. Once you are on the application page, you will first be prompted for an email address. Enter your email address and click on Next. You will be prompted for more details once you click on Next. Ensure that you enter your first name, last name, and phone number. You will also be asked to enter and confirm a password. At this stage, you are prompted to create a password because you are creating your access to the client portal, which will allow you to come back and complete the application if you are unable to complete the application in one go, and upload documents once your broker has requested documents from you. Remembering this password is important. Once you have created your password, you must agree to the terms and conditions before clicking on Create an Account. You will now be redirected to the application. First, at the top of the application, you will be prompted to validate your email address. Ensure that you validate your email address to create secure access to the client portal. You are now ready to begin the online application. You must answer all the mandatory questions with red stars next to them to be able to successfully submit an application. Once you have answered all the questions, you will be on the Review and Submit page. Here, you can double-check all the details you have entered and enter any additional notes regarding the application. If there is a consent form attached to the application, you can click on the message to download and read the form. Once you have read the documents, you must click on the checkbox to indicate that you have provided your consent. Once all questions have been answered and consent has been provided, you will be able to submit the application by clicking on the Submit Application button. That's how you can fill out an online application on Expert Pro.